Dear Cheri, I'm making meals with my cannabis infused oil and I wanted to know if it's okay to freeze meals infused with THC oil. If so, does it take away from the potency or quality? Freezing edibles, that's a great question. And before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube notification bell and subscribe button because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday and there'll be links in the comments below about what I'm talking about in the video. So can you freeze your edibles? I consulted Dr. Jeffrey Raber of the Workshop, a premier California testing lab, about this topic. And he said while he didn't have any hard data on cannabinoid stability when frozen, he said that cold temperatures do slow chemical degradation. So freezing edibles should not be an issue. So yes, you can freeze your edibles. But keep in mind that some foods do freeze better than others, but the presence or absence of cannabis in the mix really doesn't affect that. But for more information on successfully freezing foods in general, see my earlier book, The Complete Idiot's Guide to Easy Freezer Meals. Now, this is not a cannabis cookbook, but it will teach you how to successfully freeze all kinds of foods, and a lot of the recipes in there can easily be medicated. So yes, you can freeze your edibles. But beyond that, know that you can also freeze your infused butter or your infused oil. That will give it a much longer shelf life. Fats can still go rancid in the freezer, so you're going to want to use it within 6 months. But you can freeze the butter and the oil itself in addition to the edibles. I like to freeze mine in ice cube trays, then pop them out of the trays, and then I have small amounts of infused butter or oil anytime I want to cook. Eat your weed.